Still 5 more memory gems. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 11, Common English Bible. Riches gotten quickly will dwindle, but those who acquire them gradually become wealthy. Matthew 28, verses 18 to 19, Common English Bible. 18. Jesus came near and spoke to them. I've received all authority in heaven and on earth. 19. Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Matthew chapter 5, verse 6, Common English Bible. Happy are people who are hungry and thirst for righteousness, because they will be fed until they are full. Matthew 5, verse 8, Common English Bible. Happy are people who have pure hearts, because they will see God. 2 Corinthians 12, verses 7 to 9. New Living Translation. 7. Even though I've received such wonderful revelations from God, so to keep me from becoming proud, I was given a thorn in my flesh, a messenger from Satan to torment me and keep me from becoming proud. 8. 3 different times I begged the Lord to take it away. 9. Each time he said, my grace is all you need. My power works best in weakness. So now I'm glad to boast about my weaknesses, so that the power of Christ can work through me.